Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to sync Android with Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app by tapping on the Outlook icon on your Android device. Once the app launches and your email has fully loaded, you're ready to begin the sync process. This ensures that all your emails, calendar events, and contacts are properly synchronized between your Android device and your Outlook account. Now navigate to the top left corner of your mobile screen where you'll see the Outlook icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open your Outlook settings menu. This icon acts as your gateway to all the customization and configuration options available in the app. A menu will slide in from the left side of your screen, displaying various options and features. From this menu, look for the gear icon located at the bottom part of the screen. This gear icon represents your settings, and tapping on it will give you access to all the technical configurations you need to manage your Outlook experience on Android. Once your Outlook settings page is opened, direct your attention to the General section where you'll find several options for managing your app. Look for the Accounts option and tap on it. This will show you all the associated accounts currently connected to your Outlook mobile app, allowing you to manage each one individually. This is particularly useful if you have multiple email accounts linked to Outlook and need to sync a specific one. From the Accounts list, tap on the account you wish to sync with your Android device. This will direct you to your profile screen, where you can view and modify settings specific to that particular account. Now scroll down through the options until you find the Sync Settings section. This is where the actual synchronization magic happens. Once you locate Sync Settings, tap on Reset Sync Settings. This action will renew your Android sync with your Outlook app, essentially giving your connection a fresh start. Resetting the sync settings can resolve issues with delayed emails, missing calendar events, or contacts that aren't updating properly across your devices. And that's it. You've successfully reset the sync settings for your Outlook account on Android, ensuring that all your data stays up to date and synchronized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.